Hey everyone, it's Brad, and got a valve cover gasket video for you. We're going to change the valve cover gasket because it's leaking oil everywhere, especially when I rev match, so we're going to take care of that today. And yeah, so here we go. Alright, so got my handy dandy assault ratchet right here. We're going to take care of the alternator cooler first. I believe it's a 10 mil. It's only one, hopefully only one. Actually there's two, but we'll just deal with it when we get there. They're not very tight. I mean, they're tight, but they're not like stupid tight. Make sure you put this stuff where it's appropriate and you can find it again. There's two bolts there. Sorry, a nut and then a bolt. There's another one. There's another dope bolt in the back. Let's put this up for safe. And ta-da, it's off. Alright, now we're going to get, so that is off. We're going to get these injectors off next. Let's hide the 10 mil because we're probably going to end up losing it. Do not mess up the organs of the injectors, because that will be no bueno. And we'll hide our stuff again. Now the way these injectors are on, it's kind of foolproof and it should be hard to mess up, but all you gotta do is pull it up. Ta-da! Oh, oh yeah. Come on. There we go. I'm gonna go grab some gloves because that seems like a smart idea. Okay, so what I was trying to say in that little clip right there, there's a bunch of small stuff attached to the top of the motor. Just make sure you take it off nicely so you don't damage anything, because I have. Just make sure you just don't go too crazy with trying to take stuff off. Try to be gentle. I know my car's in 2008, and stuff's a little bit fragile, so take your time. Make sure you do it right, and yeah. All right, I'm gonna take the valve cover off now. After we can determine what size it is. So what doesn't show is you just gotta pry that valve cover up a little bit, and ta-da, it's off. Alright, as you can tell, I have all of the new gaskets in. They're pretty nice and easy. Shouldn't be too hard to tell where everything goes. These are kind of a little bit stiffer. This is nice and flexible. It's kind of hard to, it's really hard to fuck up on this, but people are creative, so all you gotta do now is put it back on the way you took it off. Alright, so after you get your gaskets in the valve cover, which is stupidly simple as I explained before, make sure you put everything back on. I just did. Would have shown you how to do it, but kind of struggled on a piece. Make sure you have the valve cover bolts, we'll call them. Make sure they're all in the right spot. That's what I was struggling at. For some reason, everything was shifted towards the right side, even though I had all of them in but one. So I had to take them all off, readjust, and it was fine. So we're going to fire it up and see what happens. Looks great to me. Throw the line, power steering pump. That's another thing for another time. But yeah, have a great day, guys.